welcome back to Akahilz. CoinMarketCap's blog today. We have dog and cat home receives huge crypto donation. So article was done by Connor Sefton. So we're going to be reviewing this article. Table of contents. We have pack in pet poverty. So a charity has received one of the largest ever cryptocurrency donations in Scottish history. So Edinburgh Dog and Cat Home received 26 ETH worth $121,784 as of Monday morning. The donation will ensure that the organization's pet food bank service can run for the whole of 2022. The animals have proven to be crucial companions during the coronavirus pandemic, but some families have been struggling to buy the essential items they need. So, pet poverty is one of the most common reasons why dogs and cats are giving up in Scotland. So, Paul's Pantry aims to tackle this, allowing dozens of food banks and community groups to provide pet food, collars, jackets, and bedding to owners in need. So figures suggest that the service reaches more than 1,300 animals every month. So the crypto donation has been made by the Portfolio, a community-run charity that supports animal welfare organizations. So Edinburgh Dog and Cat Home Director Nicola Gunn said, "Our team's day-to-day work to ensure vulnerable animals get the care they need is absolutely relentless. And just to know that this has been recognized by Portfolio is incredibly overwhelming. So there really aren't enough words to thank them for this donation, which will ensure another year of Scottish pets being warm, fed, and most importantly, remaining in loving homes." So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap's podcast here on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. You can check it out. It's usually very informative too. So, packing pet poverty. So, the post pantry has seen a 77% rise in its use since 2020 and 2021. The initiative is continuing to expand across Scottish as part of a campaign to pack in pet poverty. Ethereum's charity coordinator Matt Seroy added, "Ethereum was born out of the idea that cryptocurrencies can be a tremendous force for good in the world. We couldn't be happier to do our first major donation with a partner as thoughtful and caring as Edinburgh Home." See, their community outreach is going to be support their mission. Said their community outreach programs help pets stay with their owners during tough times. So we are proud to support that mission and to partner with any dog and cat home long term to save more animals. So guys, that's all we have today for today's news. So Edible Dog and Cat Home first began accepting crypto donations September 2021. Says joining the giving block unlocked access to global supporters. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you find this update helpful or educative, Jabaki, see you in our future uploads and stay safe.